Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I am C. Ravi Shankar Sharma. If you are a student, chartered accountant, company secretary, business owner, investor or AI enthusiast, then this video is for you. Today we will explore Comet Browser, an AI powered browser that can research companies, analyze reports, summarize information, and save hours of manual work. I will walk you through its key features and demonstrate a real world use case so you can see how it works in practice. Let's get started. I am sharing the screen. Now I am showing the first presentation, what is Comet Browser, how to use it, what, what areas we will cover, and then I will demonstrate a practical use case. So by following the same process, you can apply for your applicable areas. The concept will be the same. Now, first Comet Browser, the AI research browser for finance professionals. Research smarter, analyze smarter, make better decisions. So, traditional research means hours of tape switching and manual note taking. Comet replaced the entire workflow with one intelligent prompt. Means we have to give a prompt to the Comet browser. It will automatically open, analyze multiple tapes, analyze and will give the required reports information to us. Traditionally, browsers what do? We have to search, we have to open 10 plus tapes, then read manually and extract the relevant data, make notes, then compile all the notes to make a proper report. But in Comet browser, we have to give only one prompt. AI takes over. It reads and verifies 50 plus sources, summarize and cross references, deliver a polished sourced report. Traditional browser versus AI browser. Time spent 3 plus hours of manual search versus only 10 minutes. Means 3 hours of work you can do in 10 minutes. Search intelligence. Intelligent keyboard matching versus semantic AI reasoning. Source depth. In traditional way, we have only 1 to 2 sources, but now we have 50 plus verified sources. Output quality is more better in the second one, that is in AI browser. Next key feature built for finance. AI search and deep search, context awareness, source reference. Every claim backed by verified citations, you will find the citations on the information. AI writing and summarize, browser memory, and activity reports. So key features is productivity reports. You can find source reference, AI writing and summarize, generates reports with cited sources, context awareness, an AI search and deep search. It can refer dozens of sources, 50 plus sources it can refer. Next is why finance professionals love Comet. Friends, a financial professional by using Comet can do financial research, investment analysis, budget and modeling, audit and compliance, and market intelligence. So, in many ways, Comet browser it is useful for the finance professionals. Built for your workflow. It also help in workflow, like in tax and GST. If you want latest circular, case laws, and compliance deadline relating to tax and GST, you have to just give the simple prompt to the Comet that I want the latest latest circulars, latest amendment, case laws. It will automatically find from many sources and it will provide you the latest update. MC and ICI regulatory filing standards and amendments you can this Comet browser will do on your behalf, will search and will provide a proper report to you. Legal research, due diligence, litigation, SEBI regulations, and secretarial standards. AI financial research assistant. It is a Comet browser is a AI financial research assistant. Friends, by using the prompt, AI can research, can analyze, and can give a proper report to us. So it will save significant time. We can use their time in more productive way. Next, for example, I taken in case law. I taken this. I will just give the simple prompt to the Comet browser that analyze tell this is the prompt that I will give to the Comet browser. This is Comet browser. Now I am demonstrating the case law. This is the Comet browser. So here simply you have to give the prompt. Friends, I given 5 to 6 lines, but you can use only one line. You can give more lines. You can, so based on your requirement, you can change your prompt. So now what I am doing, I am just want to analyze the Tesla's annual report. I want to compare Tesla with the BYD. So we can give a single line also, like summarize the latest earning call and by uploading a financials of any listed entity. So I given a lot of information like analyze Tesla's latest annual report. I am giving the command to this Comet summarize the latest earning calls, find key business risks, and show revenue growth for last 5 years. Compare Tesla with BYD, summarize recent news, and identify accounting risk. Prepare a board meeting brief. So I am giving a small prompts, a lot of prompts, and now then I will enter here. So what it will do? It will create this report. Latest annual report analysis. Tesla's 25 Form 10K fiscal year. This highlights a completion transition. Then key points: revenue mix, energy generations, profitability and margins, balance sheet and capital allocation. It also covered the facts with debt. Then management signals a step in capital expenditure for 26 beyond AI chips manufacturing. Then strategic focus, latest earning call summary that I given the prompt for the same earning call summary, highlights demand and volumes, financial performance, capex and investment, strategic messaging, key business risk. What is a major business risk? EY demand and pricing, competitive intensity, technology and execution risk, regulatory and legal exposure, reputation and leadership risk. macro and funding risk, revenue growth over last 5 years, earlier period, recent years, directional 5 year pictures, Tesla versus BYD. Here it is giving the comparison between Tesla and BYD. Scale and volumes. What is the scale of Tesla, of BYD, revenue and margins, and it is quoting the figures. And you can see the revenue of Tesla, BYD's net profit 30% despite 14% sales growth, business model and geography, strategic implication, recent news and sentiments, competitive landscape, leadership, politics, accounting and reporting risk. And friends, you can see it is also sitting the relevant source. You can go into the source. For example, this it is providing this source. So once I click, then it will move us to the that source from where you got the information. From here it taken the information, so we can verify the sources also. Then next, regulatory and audit scrutiny, capitalization, depreciation of massive capex, related party and cross investment risk, internal controls and governance, board meeting briefing for Tesla exposure, strategic position, financial operational health, key risk for the board, business risk, accounting and governance risk, reputational, political implication and recommended board questions. So it is providing all the informations that I given in the prompt. Like so what was the prompt? Analyze latest annual report. So it analyzed that earning call, it given the information, key business this it's identified. So revenue growth for last 5 years provided, comparison Tesla versus BYD given, summarization of the recent news given from different sources. We manually, it is very difficult for us to go into the different sources to summarize them, to make the notes. So it is providing all at one place. Accounting risk also identified, and board meetings briefs also given. So friends, it is Comet browser given all the information. We can see the reference here from where it is taking the information. So we can judge the reliability accordingly. And at last, we can also download this all the report. For example, here is the download link. If I will click here, then it will ask in which form you want to download, PDF, markdown, docs, yeah, all documents. So if I will click on PDF, then in this PDF it will give us the whole report. So it is very fantastic. It will save a lot of time. 9-page reports it created in 2 to 3 minutes. If we create this whole report, it will take over whole day even. So in a very systematic and good way, it generates all the reports. So this is all about the Comet browser. It's nice. So friends, you can, for you want to invest in any company. So you want to compare two companies. Then you can give the prompt accordingly. It will provide you uh, the decisions. So based on that decisional fact. So based on that facts, you can take your professional judgment. Friends, remember, it it will provide us the facts, numbers, decision factors, but the decision taker, we have to take the decision. We are the responsible for the every decisions we take. It is assisting us. It is not replacing our judgments. So we have to take care about their that. So if you want, it can also provide a better presentation and a good dashboard like Tesla versus BYD AI powered comparison. So it is highlighted the revenue. This is the revenue part. Margin. This is the margin. Tesla 15% versus BYD 5% growth. BYD surging at 42%. This is the growth. Risk, supply chain, geopolitical and competition. Which organization have more risk? Verdict, Tesla for margins, BYD for growth and all. So friends, you seen the so friends you seen how Comet Browser is transforming the way we are working. It is helpful for us. It is saving over time also. So this I demonstrate that the how Comet browser can help in our life. How so, friends? You can use your like you can use it for by filling any forms. You can search. You can analyze different websites. You can take data of different websites. You can prepare your own reports by this for regulatory compliance. You can use this, and this is very for browsing, for in-depth working on any website. You can use the Comet browser. You have to give the instructions to the Comet browser. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your presence, and I hope this video showed you how AI can help you research smarter and work faster and make better decisions. Friends, if you found it valuable, then please like, subscribe, and share. And I am Sir Ravi Shankar Sharma. See you in the next video with another practical AI solutions. I keep learning, keep growing, and at last, thank you very much, friends. Thank you.